Can you do it? By yourself?
Yes, you
Hey, let's move on, move in. Or is it blocked?
Yeah, I think that is. Oh, you're going? Okay, wait till.
Kayla, it's super fun.
Wait. Isaiah's next, and then.
Yes, you and Isaiah can go, and everybody can go, and. Y'all hang on it. Okay.
That's what I go
Hold on, Tate, move back.
That's honestly echo.
All right, then.
We say move back so he can get out.
I'm playing something.
Is it blocked to go to the passenger side?
No. You can't go into the passenger side.
You can.
There's love up there. Yeah, but you have to go in through the other door.
No, you don't.